do like this, okay? 3 claps, okay? Yes. Like that. Okay? Yeah. This is for everyone here, okay? And one more. This is for everyone who has supported in the transport and all, okay? So you have get in touch with the others, and you have made it possible, so that's why. And one more clap. This is for Puneet and his friends who has sponsored the gloves and everything. So whatever the logistics required and all. And the one more clap. This is for the spirit. Okay. So we are going to do, okay. This just don't think it's just a cleanup. Okay. We have to take something out of this cleanup drive. So that should be the motive. So if we are doing, okay, to save nature or something, okay, that's fine, but we have to learn something out of it. So whatever we are doing, we should also get something from doing this, right? Okay, so uh, what is ITB? Okay, when you hear this word inside the box, okay, so the inside the box is when we coined this word, we had this thing in our mind. The box is nothing but this the soul, okay, the body, okay. What is inside the soul, okay? We have to work on, okay, improving ourselves. So that's the motive behind forming this NGO. Before I am one of the, okay, my name is Santosh, okay. I am one of the co-founder of this NGO. Currently I am the only one co-founder who is active, and all other uh, team members who have joined, they have been with us, okay, and they have participated actively and made it this whatever the NGO today. So 5 years back we started this one with a aim to impart the life education to the poor and the downtrodden kids. So we started with one activity in JP Nagar, so which was run by the school was run by one of the NGOs, and there we started with soft skills. And later we have been into teaching activities, donation drive, and yeah, this is green initiatives and the environmental awareness activities and all. So what is special, okay, what we have created the atmosphere is anyone who joins this, okay, we see them as a leader. So it's not that, okay, somebody joins here, they will be just a volunteer. So they have been part of each and every activity. They have led the this NGO. And today what we are doing is, it is part of our, it's a, this is just a small step towards a bigger vision. We want to have the green warriors, okay, from Karnataka, okay, so where we can work on, okay, things no plastic. And one mistake from our side.
हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज आप आए हैं डीडी हिल्स। यहाँ पे एक क्लीन अप ड्राइव है। मैं दीपिका मैम के साथ आया हूँ आज, और वो ऑर्गेनाइज़ कर रहे हैं। उनका नेम है इनसाइड द बॉक्स। अभी हमारा ब्रीफिंग हो गया है और टीम भी डिवाइडेड हो गया है। साथ में 5-5 पर्सन एक एक टीम पे है। हम लोग स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं टॉप। अभी हम लोग टॉप पे आ गए हैं। यहाँ से ऊपर से क्लीन करके जाएंगे। Hey guys, this is the great experience with joining with the organizers. We are clean up all the plastic material which is the thrown by the normal people, or they do not understand what they did it. My humble request everyone, while you coming any temple or any trekking place, anything else, do not throw the plastic unwanted material. Thank you Deepika ma'am inviting me. I am working with us and I am making the one video, very beautiful video from this organization. How's your experience for the clean up driving in DD Hills?
Yeah, it is good. Like you should have seen it before.
Okay.
I think you have captured everything how it
Yeah,
was
yeah, I
before.
capture it.
And now you can see how it is now. So people should see this, and this should motivate them.
Okay, and what is the suggestion to people throwing the water bottle anywhere?
What suggestion we can give?
Yeah.
Please get your bottles,
yeah.
own
Yeah,
bottles.
They can get, or else I didn't notice any dustbins here, and also that has to be installed.
Okay. Okay then, thank you.
Even for emergency sake, they will take something. One or the other thing they will purchase.
At least they should carry one water bottle, which is the better,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
they
you can
cannot
reuse
throw.
it again.
Yeah, that is
Instead
the
of throwing,
yeah.
what I suggest is carry your dustbin cover trash bag as well.
Okay.
So that whatever, even the chocolate wrappers or whatever it is, the chips packs, everything you can put it into the bag and carry out and put it wherever you find the dustbin there.
Yeah.
That
Yes,
would be
yeah.
the
That is a good
best
idea.
suggestion. What we
Yeah.
keep.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. So many people when it's appreciated, they said we will do it, we will try to spread it to others. Okay, and they given some suggestions. We were asking them suggestions. How can we improve our? How can we stop the pollution? Plastic-free area. First one is primary checkup. They are saying that if there is a checkpoint, they should check water. If they are carrying water bottle, they should bring back some deposit kind of primary check. They said. Another one is dustbins in the steps alley. From the shop to the till the end, they were saying few should be there, like one area, like that. And second thing was water. They said if the water is installed somewhere, they will not buy the water bottle. Reach them better ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 things they told. One is dustbin, water bottle water installation, and there is signboard. It can be local language, English, and then the picture wise. It's a good message, so that they should feel yes we should do it.
ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಮೇಲೂ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಈ ಶಾಪ್ಕೀಪರ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರೇನು ಹೇಳಿದಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ಸ್ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವು ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬಂದು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗಾರ್ಬೇಜ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಾಲಿಟಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಬಂದು ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ ಇಡೋದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ
ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್
ಏನಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಈಗ ತಹಶೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಪೋಸಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೀನಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಈಗ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಉಪದೇಶ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ
ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಅಂತ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರದ್ದು ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಯಿತು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ. ಇವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ
So,
The
organizer will start. Deepika ma'am is our organizer. How is it today, Deepika ma'am?
This was really a very nice event we organized. Actually, it is a public awareness type it went on. Like our plan was to clean the place, but so many people, like public response was too good. They are even willing to join our next drive. That is the good positive response we got from the public. We feel we really succeeded in our motive. Thanks for everyone who joined the team. We're really happy to be in the part of the event. Thank you.
How's your experience
Hi.
today?
Today it was a very nice experience. Today I came for like a cleanup drive event and it was really good. Yeah, we saw so many people who are like throwing litters everywhere, but it wasn't a good feeling. But yeah, we lifted everything and we created awareness. We got so much of very positive experience, responses, and people loved it and they appreciated us and we appreciate whatever they have done. And I suggest you, I ask you to create awareness about all these environment friendly activities. Make sure to use less plastic, do not litter. If anybody is doing, please tell them not to do it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, this is my first cleanup drive. It was really great experience and a great initiative. Whatever suggestion we have got from the people who visited this place, we have considered that. Hope everyone implements the same thing towards a better environment. Actually, whenever we visit, it's not that we clean this area. There are many other beautiful green places, nature places where it should be kept very neat and clean, that so that more tourists attract those places and it feels fresh. We living in a polluted environment itself, it's so healthy for us, and again we make nature place dirty by ourselves. It's an individual responsibility to keep nature clean, environment clean. We do it in a home. When we are staying at a place, we do it in a home place. In the houses we keep it clean. No one likes to be in a dirty environment. That is the best thing what we can practice outside also. Wherever you go, make sure that whatever waste you put in a usable, dispose it in a proper place and don't dirty the place. If you practice individually, itself creates a healthy environment, and that is what the awareness is all about. It starts from ourselves. But today most of the people appreciated what we did. It was really a great great initiative, and special thanks to Deepika who made us to participate in this drive. I'm really happy that I was part of this drive. I've been trekking a lot to the nature places, but we go to nature to feel fresh, and if we see such environment where the more plastics we find, we won't feel like as fresh as it should be. So if we practice ourselves and even consider environment to be clean and neat, it will be very helpful. And plus, moreover, I'm thanking to the people who gave good suggestion, feedbacks, so that in future it is implemented. Thank you.
Hey guys, now activity is done. क्लीन अप हो गया ऊपर, और यहाँ पे आके हम लोग लंच कर लिए अभी यहाँ पे मीटिंग हो गया हमारा. मीटिंग मतलब एक लास्ट मीटिंग था. सब लोग रिटर्न चले गए घर पे, तो हम लोग अभी रिटर्न जा रहे हैं. सुबह हम लोग स्टार्ट किए थे 7:30 को, ख़त्म हुआ 1 बजे ड्राइव, क्लीन अप ड्राइव ख़त्म हुआ. थैंक्स फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइज़र.